Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Tech Exchange. Apologies once again for the audio podcast. Today I'm not feeling well, so therefore I choose to do only the audio instead of video. Coming back to markets, yesterday the US markets moved higher. Now, after Iran getting upper hand in the war, now looks like US is getting upper hand, and a lot of navy ships have been destroyed. Even one navy ship has been destroyed near Sri Lanka, very near Indian water, international water space. And then then after that there are no more attacks reported from Iran side. So looks like now clearly US and Israel is getting an upper hand. So that has given some positive boost for the bulls in US. Anyway, US markets did not fall at all. US market S&P 500 has been consolidating and still consolidating with the trading closer to the upper end of the trading range, whereas the Asian markets reacted too much. Mainly this crude oil supply, the problem will be for mostly for Asian countries, not for the European or US as I discussed yesterday. So look at the Korean market. Since January, how many times it shot up 5%, crashed 5%. So, that too alternatively. So yesterday, the Korean market was down 12% and today it is up 12%. Just imagine 3 days. The first day it was down 7%. Second day it is down 12%. So total 19%. And today it is up 12%. So very, very difficult. But considering that kind of a volatility, Indian market has always been good. Except 1 or 2 days like, uh, Indo-US trade deal day or something like that. We don't gap up or we don't gap down very big. Maximum 1% gap up or 1% gap down, that itself is considered to be a very big gap up or very big gap down. So now GIFT Nifty is indicating almost 160, 170 point gap up. So, that is expected. As I told you yesterday, there are multiple supports between 24,000 and 24,600. So 24,600 being 38.2% retracement of Fibonacci level. Sometimes this kind of war panic, this and that, so 1 or 2 days that may breach. But if Nifty closes above 24,600, so then that is considered to be a very, very positive signal. And moreover, if you see from the top, 26,400. So 10% of that is at 2,400. So 2,400 point fall, that will take you to 24,000. Right? So 10% fall is, more than 10% fall is considered to be, a correction. So up to 10% fall is considered to be a normal fall. So 10% correction, 50% Fibonacci retracement, then 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So they're all between 24,000 and 24,600. So as long as Nifty closes above 24,600, today it is opening about 24,600, but will it close about 24,600? So that's the question. So then, the bulls can hope the market can continue to recover. So there are some reports that, Iran is trying to negotiate with US which was denied by Iran. But usually that is how the things happen. Unless there is a confirmation, the people will keep denying, even if they are making any such a attempt. So if any negotiation or any war stoppage, the Nifty can blast. And just imagine, even without any truce, South Korean market can open 12% higher. Then what will happen if there is a either end of war or any truce or any ceasefire? You may remember last year, India was having a war with Pakistan, and then suddenly one day Trump announced a ceasefire between India and Pakistan. So that day, the Nifty gap up opened 2% and closed 4% higher. So if that was a like single country issue, but this is a global phenomena. So if there is any, war coming to an end or any kind of truce, then I will not be surprised if Nifty shoots up 5 to 6% on a single day. Or if slowly positive news is being built in, it can move slowly also possible. So definitely this is not the time to short the market. So having said, all these things may not happen in one day. It may take some time. But clearly, 25,000 is going to be the resistance for this week. But that will be still 400 point away from where we are going to open today. But we have how many more days? Today, Sensex expiry, right? So then we have Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So only 3 more trading sessions after today. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.